Lavina now at 11:30, and then from Lavina we're going to go to Singaraja where we're staying at this retreat. It's so nice and green around the area, and we have so many waterfalls. So the bus to Lavina. So we took a bus from Ubud to Singaraja, which took over 2 hours, and it cost us around 225,000 rupiah return. This is the new accommodation we're staying at, and the view from here is insane. Just have a look at this. Wow. So much nature, so green. It's pretty rural though. Honestly obsessed with this retreat, the place we're staying at. The greenery here is so beautiful. There's a little chicken running around too. So Natalia is going to attempt to get a papaya off the tree. See how that works. Yeah. Oh! Pre-breakfast snack from the place we're staying at. Fresh fruit. Yum. Seedless papaya. Yummy. Man, this view from our accommodation is insane. I actually want to cry. Like, how can something be this beautiful? And also, look at this dragon fruit. The size of my head. Have you ever seen one that big? Probably have, but like I haven't. Oh my god, what the fuck? Beautiful pink dragon fruits. So sweet. In Bali. Australian dragon fruit is horrible. So today we're walking and exploring waterfalls near the area. Apparently it was like a 3-hour walk to get to this waterfall all uphill. But like we had this amazing guy from the accommodation who was so helpful, dropped us off on his motorbike, and now it's only like around 40-minute walk to the waterfall. And after we're gonna walk back home, which is around 3 hours. And yeah, it's so beautiful here, man. Loving Singaraja. So much nice greenery. I could cry. How beautiful. And there's so many like waterfalls that people don't really know much about here. And it's gonna be so good. And it's $15,000 entry into the waterfall, which is alright. What the hell? These leaves are stunning. This does not look like real life. I'm honestly blown away by the beauty of Singaraja. A little calf. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, my eyes can't take this. Literally no one is here. Really cold. This waterfall is so stunning and no one is here, not one tourist. Our guy from the accommodation recommended this place to us. This place is only known by like locals and stuff. Oh my god, another hidden waterfall. This is insane. There is like multiple layers at this waterfall and the nature just sounds so beautiful. This honestly doesn't feel like real life. The waterfalls here are insane and there's like multiple layers of it. Waterfall after waterfall. It's like so beautiful, untouched, fucking insane. This is the waterfalls we just were at. Dadari, Kamara and Ganging. Literally 3 waterfalls right here. Absolutely beautiful. I was just talking with Natalia saying, like, this doesn't feel like real life. Like, I just can't believe I'm here. It's so beautiful. It's picture perfect. No tourists, nobody here.
And I've never heard of these places. We heard of these places through the people that we're staying with.
Yeah,
like, oh, go up the road, we'll take you.
Otherwise we would have never heard of it. I wrote a list of places to go and none of these were on it. Like, this is just a hidden treasure in the middle of the jungle. So happy right now, man. This place is so green, nature everywhere. Ain't barely anyone here other than the world. Caught in a storm, waiting under some random's house. Looks like it's getting worse. Man, people are so nice here. Some lady lent us her chairs in the front of her house because it's pouring down with rain. Bless her soul. Some random rice terraces on the walk back. Insane. And oh my god, it was pouring down with rain and we went quickly under some lady's house and they fully brought us chairs and they all came out to say hi. It was the cutest thing ever. Sometimes humanity can be so good. Walking through endless rice terraces, one after another. So beautiful here too. There's so many other rice terraces in Bali other than the touristy ones. Like, look at this. This is layered. It's insane. Not sure if this is safe to walk up, but we'll find out. On top of a random tree house that somebody built. It's just gonna start pissing down in a sec. Hurrying my child home to the retreat. Gotta be careful with it because he might break. It's 2 kilos of rice.
And
our local place where we get veg from. They got homemade tofu, homemade tempeh, yummy.
Ayam.
Whoa, the sunset is beautiful today. So pink.